Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge as of 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, launch Microsoft Edge on your PC. So I'm gonna open it. So I'm gonna click on this start menu and search here Edge. Click on that to open it. And now click on the three horizontal dots, also known as the settings and more icon in the top right corner of the browser window. And here a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select settings. In the left sidebar of the settings page, click on privacy, search and services. And now scroll down to the clear browsing data section. Here you will see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data Now. Click on the Choose What to Clear button. And here a pop-up window will appear titled Clear Browsing Data. You will see a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click on it and select the desired time. For example, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. So I'm gonna select last hour. And below you will find checkboxes for various data types. Ensure that cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. So here you can see that I already checked all of the items. And after selecting the desired options, click on the Clear Now button. And this will delete the selected cache and cookies from your browser. And that's it. You have successfully cleared cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.